Welcome to today's product demonstration. Let's talk about PBS Software's product called Enterprise Content Store, or ECS. It provides SAP data evaluation capabilities for non-SAP users, for example, due to the sale of a business unit. It enables localized storage of extracted SAP data with the functionality to share data in AIS format, for example, for tax audits. It includes automated data extraction with logged validation, which is controllable via templates to make it quick and easy. And the solution has cost-effective licensing without dependency on SAP releases. In fact, the SAP systems can be safely decommissioned. Let's have a look at the use case to guide our discussion about why this product is so important. In this use case, Company A has sold one of their business units to Company B. Now, the new buyers need access to that business unit's SAP ERP data. So, a solution needs to be found for extracting and storing the data from the main database and archive in a secure non-SAP storage system, on-prem, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, etc., that will enable the new buyers and tax auditors to access data analytics, create data views or reports, view documents, and export the data to AIS and XML format. Compliance with data retention policies and availability of data for tax audits, social security audits, and product liability are all important considerations. In an ideal scenario, Company A wishes to decommission the business unit's SAP ERP system so that it can stop paying for licenses. PBS Enterprise Content Store, or ECS, provides the answer. Let me show you how it works. Data from the business unit's SAP ERP system's main database and archive are extracted using the built-in PBS extraction suite and SAP Dart services. Extraction is automated and includes logged validation. Here, extracts can be supplemented with associated SAP documents and print lists. Then the data is imported into the company's on-premise or cloud storage solution using PBS ECS. And data can then be easily analyzed from a Windows PC with the ECS app with an interface similar to SAP's. The ECS app includes the possibility to analyze data with special-purpose data views, and document displays are similar to the familiar SAP standard. It's also possible to set special roles and permissions for controlling who has access to which data. One can also export data to AIS and XML format for transferring data to tax authorities to use in analysis software. ECS can be used to evaluate extracts created with the SAP standard tool Dart, as it provides the same evaluation views as in the SAP standard. The solution gives a company, and even non-SAP users, a straightforward solution for analyzing data, print lists, original documents linked to SAP. Once you have created data views, the data can also be accessed from PBS's new Web ECS app. The web app has an interface designed with OpenUI 5 and is easy to use because it looks similar to using an SAP application. Later in this video, we will have a look at the basic navigation in the Web ECS app. In terms of our use case, where a company needs to provide access to SAP ERP data to their new buyers, PBS ECS ticks all the boxes. Many of PBS's clients use this product for granting access to SAP ERP data to non-SAP users, for transferring data from the source to a new destination in the event of a sale of a business unit, or to simplify the decommissioning an SAP ERP system for cost-saving benefits. Regarding this last point, with PBS ECS, no SAP licenses are required. Now that the data is maintained in a compliant, audit-ready state in the non-SAP storage solution, the company can safely decommission the unused SAP system. If you're familiar with SAP ILM, you will notice that ECS is an alternative for it. With SAP ILM, you can also carry out large-scale system decommissioning projects. However, the condition is that you continue to run and pay for licenses for an SAP ERP of BW system. However, with ECS, the company can let go of paying for SAP licenses and save costs. Let's take a quick look at the user experience and key functionality of the Web ECS app. Let's start with reporting and Dart extracts. Here you can see the Dart reporting FI document header and item data. You can filter the data and select the Dart extract to use. The table shows how the data is grouped and the total is calculated. Here you can see a PDF document that was opened in Web ECS. PDFs, text files, and images are accessible in the web app and can be easily downloaded or printed by the user. Here, you can see an overview of all Dart extracts in this repository available in ECS. You can also see the details of the specific Dart extract, and you can see the overall information about the Dart extract itself, with tabs for viewing segments, selection criteria, and imported files. After clicking on a Dart segment, you will be taken to the detailed view. Here you will find information about the Dart segment and associated data in the Data tab. Additionally, you can display information about the fields or checksums. That's it for my product demonstration today. To close, let's recap on ECS's key benefits. ECS enables analysis of SAP data for non-SAP users. It allows localized storage of SAP data and includes the ability to share the data in AIS format. The data extraction process is automated. And, as explained in our use case earlier, it helps you to save costs by safely decommissioning unused SAP ERP systems. If you have any questions, please visit the PBS website. We are available to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.